Hello children, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Quick Learn with Vijisha. Today we will see class 7th practice set 26. This is for the new lesson. In this practice, first it is given as complete the table below. So we will learn how to do this. Here the question is, we'll see what is the base and index in this question. So this is in base, like it is in down. So down number is called as base. So what is the base in this question? 3 is your base. And what is the index in this question? Index means the upper number is called the index. So 4 is your index. Understanding children? Now next it is written as multiplication form. How you will write in multiplication form? 3 is your question. It has to be written 4 times. That means this has become 2, 3 and 4. That means this 3 we have written 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has become 3 raised to 4. Understanding? And the value means you have to multiply all this numbers. That means 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 3 will give you the answer as 81. Understanding first question? We'll see the second question. In this, what is your base? Your base is 16 and your index is 3. Understanding how we will write in multiplication form? 16 should be written 3 times. That means 16 into 16 into 16. We have written this in multiplication form. And what is the value? Value means after multiplying what you will get the answer. So in this 16 into 16 will give you the answer as 256. And this 16 you have to multiply again. Understanding children? So 256 into 16 will give you the answer 4096. So this is the value for 16 raised to 3. Understanding children? We'll see the third question. Third question, the indices form is not written. It is given as -8 as the base and 2 as the index. So what will be the indices form? -2 raised to 2. Understanding children? How we will write it in multiplication form? -8 is your base, so it has to be written 2 times. Understanding children? Because here it is given as square, means 2. Now we will do the multiplication. 8 8s will give you the answer as 64. Don't forget for the signs also, minus and minus. Minus and minus will give you the answer as plus. So plus 64 is your answer. Understanding children? We'll solve the fourth question. In fourth question, the multiplication form is given. That means 3 upon 7 into 3 upon 7. It is written 4 times. So what will be your indices form? 3 upon 7 is written 4 times. So raised to 4. Now in this, what is your base? 3 upon 7 is your base and 4 is your index. Understand? Now for the values, multiplication form is written. We have to find only the values. 3 3s will become 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 3s will give you the answer as 81. Coming for 7. 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. 343 into 7 will give you the answer 2401. Hope you are understanding the concept. Students, any doubt you can text me in the comment box. So this way you can solve the sums. We'll see the last sum also. Question is -13 up raised to 4. So -13 is your base and 4 is your index. Understanding? Now in the multiplication form, -13 has to be written 4 times. So we will put it in the bracket because 2 signs are together. So this way we have written -13 4 times. Now coming for the value, 13 into 13 will give you the answer 169. Again 13 13s will give you the answer as 169. Solve the multiplication sums carefully. You can also check out for a video for how to solve multiplications in simple way. I have in the description box, so do check for that video, simple multiplication form. Now coming for this, 169 into 169 will give you the answer as 28561. Don't forget for the signs, 4 signs are there. Minus and minus will give you the answer as plus. Again 2 minus are there, will give you the answer as plus. Now plus plus will become plus. Understanding, children? So this way we have done with number 1. All questions we have solved. Now let's see question number 2. Now we will see question number 2. It is given as find the value. Means the final value you have to find for the indices. First question is 2 raised to 10. So your base is 2. It has to be written how many times? 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have written 2 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understanding, children? Now you have to multiply all these numbers. Multiplying all the numbers, you will get the answer as 1024. Hope you are understanding the concept, students. Let's see one negative question sum. Minus 7 raised to 4. So minus 7 has to be written how many times? 4 times. Understanding, children? Minus 7 has been written 4 times. So minus 7 into minus 7 will give you the answer as 49. Minus minus will become plus. Multiply by, here also we will multiply, it also will give you the answer as plus 49. This way also you can solve. Now after multiplying 49 into 49, you will get the answer as 2401. Hope you are understanding, students. We'll see the last question for a fraction sum, and that too for a negative fraction. Question is minus 1 upon 2 raised to 4. So minus 1 upon 2 is your base. It has to be written how many times? 4 times. So let's write it 4 times. So I have written it 4 times. Now we will find the value. 1 into 1 will give you the answer as 1. Coming for denominator, 2 2s will become 4. 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. And for minus sums we have already done. If 4 minus signs are there, minus minus will give us plus, and here also plus, means the answer will come in plus. So plus 16 is your answer. I hope you are understanding all the concept for this problem set, students. So do share it with your friends, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you, students.